Hey, if you need to repair a coaster brake, here's how you do it. When you take one of these apart, this is what you're going to find inside. This is the coaster brake, the bearings, the axle, the components that make up the wheel. I clean this up with a paper towel. The axle has 2 slots and the center hub has 2 pins that fit into those 2 slots. And then the brake shoes just fit over the top. And that's going to go into the wheel just like that. And then this sprocket screws on from the other side. Pack everything with grease. You put on the bearing, you put on the inner hub, and you put on the brake shoes. The grease makes the whole thing stick together. Right up in. Pop a bearing in here. This thing's called a cone. You put it on finger tight. That is very nice and solid. Very smooth and perfectly adjusted. No play. I could probably tighten that a little more. You need a special tool or a skinny wrench to tighten this lock nut. I ground down one of my old wrenches to get it done.
I'm telling you again, I am memorizing 50,000 names and I still can't get them all. Well then, you could change it and make it